What if eating something as simple as a green string bean, well, a bowl of green string beans, what if something as simple as this can help you improve your blood sugar and reduce inflammation in the body? What if you did it every day for 14 days? I think the science is actually quite fascinating because string beans are one of the richest natural sources of chromium and vanadium. These are two minerals that impact blood sugar regulation. They impact insulin sensitivity and, of course, inflammation, right? When you bring inflammation down in the body, you bring down inflammation in the prostate as well. Your prostate is part of your body. So how does this happen? Why does this happen? It helps to control the blood spikes. So now you can buy, you could buy a supplement, but your body would prefer to have the natural foods that contain the nutrients, right? That's really what we're trying to do here. Less pills and more natural substances. So chromium enhances insulin function, helping your cells to absorb glucose more efficiently. Studies show that chromium reduces insulin resistance even, and insulin resistance is a key driver of inflammation. Vanadium actually mimics insulin in the body and helps to lower blood sugar naturally, right? It's been linked to improve cellular energy, reduce inflammation, and even has some anti-cancer properties. So high blood sugar and, chronic inflammation contribute to enlarged prostate. We know that already. Even prostate cancer risk. So if you can improve your insulin sensitivity and reduce your oxidative stress, it's a win-win. It's a win-win for everybody. So let's do this together. In week 1, you will start noticing changes. Eat a meal a day, a meal of green string beans a day. You'll have less bloating, more stable energy, and you'll notice fewer nighttime bathroom trips. Why? Well, because your blood sugars are more stable, right? You have less or none at all. You have less post-meal crashes thanks to the chromium and vanadium working together. You'll have reduced inflammation. Studies show that high fiber foods like string beans help to lower the CRP. That's reactive protein. That's a marker for inflammation linked to prostate enlargement. Better digestion. There's a lot of fiber in these bad boys. So string beans help support gut health, which is directly connected to lower inflammation, and better hormonal balance in your body. So, 2 weeks in, you should start feeling the results. Of course, add your tomatoes and bell peppers in there, but you'll have more consistent energy. Your prostate will feel better because you'll have fewer urges to go to the bathroom at night. So you can see that, you can feel that. You can eat them raw, or steamed. Don't overcook them. Get creative. Get creative with the dishes. Go online, look up some recipes. Add some cooked tomatoes and red bell peppers in there as well. How we talk about those, and your other supplements, because they all kind of work synergistically together, right? And so if you're dealing with blood sugar issues, if you're dealing with chronic inflammation, prostate discomfort, adding string beans to your diet it's inexpensive, it's easy, it's science-backed, I like science here. So if you like this, follow for more tips.